Hello everyone! Here we're going to learn the physics behind drums. But first, let us identify what branch of physics is really related to drums. Well, the branch of physics that is related to drums is called acoustics. Acoustics is the branch of physics that studies all mechanical waves in solids, liquids, and gases. First, let us identify the parts of a drum. Here, I have a regular snare drum. The first part, this white part, is called the membrane or the drum head. The second part, this blue one, is called the drum body or the drum shell. The drum body is hollow so that when you strike a drum, the sound can better resonate before hearing it. The third part, this is called the tension rods. The tension rods can be adjusted so you can adjust the pitch of the drum so it can be a higher pitch or a lower pitch, which I will explain later. The fourth part, which is only exclusive to snare drums, is called the snare holder. And the last part, these string-like parts are called the snare. Striking a drum creates specific point of vibration called modes. At the next clip, it will illustrate the different type of modes created when you strike a drum. Well, as I told you before, that adjusting the tension rod also affects the pitch of the drum. The tighter the tension rod, the higher the pitch of the drum, while the looser the tension rod, the lower the pitch of the sound. Well, how does pitch really affect the sound of the drums? The drum membrane can sound differently based on the speed and velocity of the sound vibrations. I will illustrate an example for you. This first snare drum has a fairly tight tension rods, so meaning it will sound fairly high. See? Now, this other snare drum has a much looser tension rods, so it will sound low. See? Now, how does that happen? Well, if you tighten the tension rod of a drum and then you strike it, the vibrations are much closer together, so their sounds are in high frequency. That's why they have a high pitch. While if you loosen the tension rod and then you strike a drum, the vibrations are evenly or widely spaced apart, so they sound low.